May I help you? Lesson में Activity 3. Tick the correct one appropriate to the picture. He or she. He is correct. Next, she. Next, each. Next, they. Activity 4. Write suitable words in the blanks. He, she, they. They are playing cricket. They. They are playing cricket. He is reading. He is reading. They are going to school. They are going to school. She is singing. S-H-E. She is singing. They are eating. They are eating. Next, activity 5. Sita is rewrite the sentences by changing the naming words with he, she, it, they. Sita is a girl. She is a girl. Ravi is a boy. He is a boy. A chair has 4 legs. It has 4 legs. Sita is a girl. She is a girl, Sita. And she is a girl. Ravi is a boy. He is a boy. Only this one. He is a boy. Raju and Ramu are friends. They are friends. They are friends. 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 They are friends. Next 4. A chair has 4 legs. It has. It has 4 legs. F-O-U-R, 4 legs. L-E-G-S, legs. Lata is a teacher. She is a teacher. She is a teacher. T T-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. She is a teacher. Next activity. Rewrite the following sentences by using capitals and wherever necessary. Rahim is running. Rahim, or capital letter, names. R-A-H-E-M. Rahim is running. R-U-N-N-I-N-G. Rahim is running. Sheila is skipping. Full stop. Full stop here. Rahim is running. Sheila is skipping. She, capital letter. S-H-E-L-A. Sheila is skipping. S-K-I-P-P-I-N-G. Sheila is skipping. Next, they are playing cricket. Full stop there. Capital letter. Last. Full stop. Next, they are playing cricket. There. Capital letter first. T-H-E-R. They are playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing cricket. C-R-I-C-K-A-T. Cricket. Full stop. Full stop and capital letter over here. Activity 7. They are cricket. Arrange the following letters in alphabetical order. Arrange the following letter in alphabetical order. A, B, C. D, E, F. They are playing cricket. Arrange the following letters in alphabetical order. A, B, C, U, V, T. T, U, V. Next, M, L, K. L, first write down L, M, K, M, L, K. K, L, M. These are correct. Next here. F, D, I. D, F, I. Next, S, N, P. First letter N. First letter N. P, S. Next, U, H, E. E, after H, next after U. Find and join the words that ends with same sound. Man, pen, cup, net, knot. Same. These are pen, man. Same sound. Next here, net, got, set, pit. Net, set, same sound. Lip, cop, net, nip. Lip, nip, same sound. Next exercise. Write the names of the pixels from the help box. ZIP, zip. SIT, sit. PIN, pin. HILL, hill. LIP, lip. DIG, dig. SIX, six. NIB, nib. These are words there. Write down. First, nib. NIB, nib. HILL, hill. HILL, hill. LIP, lip. Next, 6. SIX, 6. Next exercise. ZIP, zip. ZIP, zip. SIT, sit. SIT, sit. NIB, nib. Poly. Sit. ZIP, zip. DIG, dig. SIT, sit. NIB, nib. Here are PIN, pin. PIN, pin. PIN, pin. HILL, hill. LIP, lip. SIX, 6. ZIP, zip. DIG, dig. SIT, sit. NIB, nib. Those letters are in these places. Next, combine the letters to form new words. Here are new words. Write down. BIB, bib. BIB, bib. BIB, bib. NIB, nib. RIB, rib. RIB, rib. Next, DID, did. DID, did. HID hid. MID mid. Next one, FIG fidge. FIG fidge. JIG jig. WIG wig. Next, DIM dim. DIM dim. HIM him. RIM rim. RIM rim. Right here. Next, KIN kin. KIN kin. TIN tin. BIN bin. Next, LIP lip. LIP lip. RIP rip. RIP rip. ZIP zip. ZIP zip. Over. Next here. PIT picked. PIT pit. HIT hit. HIT hits. KIT kit. KIT kit. Next, FIX fix. FIX fix. MIX mix. MIX mix. SIX 6. SIX 6. Yes, they are correct, right. Write correctly here.